Today video topic is a multi-threading in Java and video date is 27 July. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of the unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multi-threading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use multi-threading than multiprocessing because the threads use a shared memory area. They do not allocate a separate memory area, so saves memory. And context switching between the thread takes less time than processes. Java multithreading is mostly used in games, animation, etc. The advantages of multithreading it does not block the user because the thread are independent and we can perform multiple operation at the same time. The second advantage is we can perform many operation together, so it saves time. And the third is thread are independent, so it does not affect other threads if an exception occur in a single thread. uh, multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the cpu multitasking we can achieve in two ways. The first one is a process based multitasking and the second one is a thread based multitasking. uh, each processes has an address in memory. Process in the process based multitasking is each processes has a address in memory. In other words, each processes allocate a separate memory area. A process is a heavyweight. Cost of communication between processes is high. um, Switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating list, etc. And the thread based multitasking is the threads share same address space. A thread is lightweight. Cost of communication between the thread is low. Uh, what is a thread in Java? A thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent. If there occur exception in the thread, it does not affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. Uh, it uses a shared memory area. uh, a thread class in Java means Java provide a thread class to achieve thread programming. Thread class provides constructors and methods to create the perform operation on a thread. Thread class extend object class and independent and implements a runnable interface. uh, um, in Java, lots of thread methods. There is a start method, means it is used to start the execution of a thread class of the thread. Run method, it is used to do an action for a thread. um, the next is a sleep method. It sleeps a thread for the specified amount of time. uh, the next is a current thread method. It is a returns the reference to the currently executing thread object. The next is a join method. Join method, it waits for the thread to die. uh, Get priority method, it return the priority of the thread. Set priority method, it change the priority of the thread. Get name method, it return the name of the thread. Set name method, it change the name of the thread. Get id method, it return the id of the thread. Is live method, it test if the thread is live. Yield method, it causes the currently executing thread object to uh, pause and allow other thread to execute temporarily. Suspend method, it is used to suspend the thread. Resume method, it is used to resume the suspend thread. Stop method, it is used to stop the thread. Destroy method, it is used to destroy the thread group and all of its subgroups. Is daemon method, it test if the thread is a daemon thread. Set daemon method, it marks the thread as a daemon for the thread. Interrupt method, it interrupt the thread. uh, Check access method, it determines if the currently running thread has a permission to modify the thread. So to string method, it is used to return a string representation of the thread, including the thread same priority and thread group. Notify method, it is used to give the notification for only one thread which is waiting for a particular object. Notify all method, it is used to give the notification of all waiting thread of the particular object. So there is lots of method in a multi-threading in Java. uh, Thank you so much. Thank you.